Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently the Prime Minister of Jamaica announced that the school children in Jamaica can ride the JUTC buses for free. And this would also include university students. So he said this initiative would last for 2 months, September and October. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, I think this is a good move. I mean, their students, the JUTC is going to lose money anyway. They lose billions of dollars every year, and if they lose 1 billion, the Jamaican government subsidizes it. If they lose 18 billion, the Jamaican government subsidizes it. So I think this is an excellent move by the government, and I think students should ride the JUTC buses for free all the time, not just for 2 months, but for the entire school year. But that's just my opinion. Guys, let us know what you think. No, the Prime Minister didn't say, or it's not known if this includes the new school buses, but I'm assuming if the JUTC buses are free, then those school buses will also be free. So the government brought in 110 school buses, and they were going to charge $50 per trip. So it will be $50 to go to school and $50 to come back. So that's $100 a day, which is also an excellent move. But since the JUTC is going to be free for 2 months, I'm just assuming that the school buses will also be free for 2 months. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that all school children and tertiary students with valid identification cards will be able to travel free of cost on Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC buses at the start of the upcoming school year in September. The initiative revealed during a Jamaica Labour Party mass rally in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, will run from September through October. It applies to both primary and secondary students in uniform, as well as tertiary level students once they present a recognized school or university ID. The Prime Minister framed the move as part of his government's broader commitment to easing transportation costs for families and improving access to education. By eliminating fares for this initial 2-month period, the administration aims to help students and parents adjust financially to the new school term, which often brings additional expenses for books, uniforms, and supplies. The measure will be implemented across the JUTC's operating network, which primarily covers the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region, but also extends to some routes in surrounding parishes. It is expected that the free rides will reduce congestion at peak school traveled hours and encourage greater use of the formal public transportation system instead of unsafe, unregulated alternatives. While the announcement has been welcomed by many parents and student organizations, some critics may question whether the initiative should be extended beyond October or paired with structural reforms to make student fares permanently more affordable. For now, the program is a temporary, targeted relief measure designed to support the back-to-school transition. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.